You've graduated. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. You have accomplished a great deal. But now it's time to go job searching. Now this is going to be a little bit different than when you applied to college. First, before we get started, my name is 𝐸𝑥𝑒𝑐𝑢𝑡𝑖𝑣𝑒. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist, and I teach job seekers how to become hired rapidly using my insider secrets as a recruiter. So let's get back to this. You just graduated. Now, I want you to think about this. When you applied to college, there were many seats, and they accepted thousands of students, and it was still hard to get in. But now you're applying for a job, and there may be only one position available. And I always go back to, if you remember the first day of college, they said, look to your right, look to your left. One of you won't be here when you graduate. That happened to me. You have to remember that other person is your competition. So you owe it to yourself, and you need to do everything you can to rise above to become that candidate of choice. Once you become employed, then you can help your friend. But first, let's get you employed. So we really need to do everything we can to successfully market you to employers, because there are thousands of students who are graduating who are looking for jobs right now. So one way is you can grab time on my calendar so I can offer you some guidance based on my view as a recruiter. It's gethired.careers. Check it out. Check out my website. It's Pounding Pavement 101. It will give you a lot of information, so this way I can help you to rise above to become that candidate of choice. The goal here is to get you off the family payroll, independent financially, and off into your super fabulous career and your new life. Trust me, your parents want you off that family payroll as well. They want to enjoy their empty nesthood. So again, I want you to grab time on my calendar so this way I can show you exactly how to stand out away from all of the other graduates, all of the other people that were sitting with you at graduation. It's gethired.careers. I'll talk to you soon.